In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective email template using Google Docs. It's a great tool to design professional emails that are easy to export and share. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to Google Docs and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new document. Look for the blank document option and click on it to open up a fresh canvas for your email template. To keep your files organized, give your document a clear and descriptive name. A good practice is to title it with something like Email Template Newsletter. This will help you easily find it later on, especially if you're managing multiple documents. Next, we'll want to set up the page for email layout. Click on the File menu and go down to Page Setup. Here, we're focusing on the page width. You want to reduce the margins, say to about 0.5 inches, and ensure the content width is around 600 pixels. This width is optimal for readability in most email layouts, ensuring your content looks great across different devices. Now for a touch of professionalism, it's time to add a header. Click on Insert and then Header. Here's where you'll place your logo, business name, or a banner image. Center it to give your email a clean, balanced appearance. This step adds a branded touch that recipients can easily recognize. Building the content sections is next, and tables are your best friend here. Use the Insert menu again to add a table, with configurations like all one eyes 2 or one eyes 3, depending on how you want to structure these sections. Within these cells, you can add headlines, body text, and calls to action, like click here or learn more. Using different background colors in these tables can help sections stand out and make your email visually appealing. Formatting your text for impact is also key. Use bold headlines to highlight your key messages and select brand colors or larger font sizes for headings to maintain brand consistency. Keep the body text simple, usually using fonts like Arial at a 12-14 point size for easy reading. Adding a call to action button is a powerful tool. Click Insert and then Drawing. Create a rectangle shape, fill it with color, and add text such as Shop Now. This can then be inserted as an image and linked directly to your website or landing page. Finally, every professional email should have a footer. Go back to Insert and select Footer. A small 1x1 table works great for adding contact information, unsubscribe links, or disclaimers. Keep the font small and minimal to not distract from the main content. After you've completed your design, it's time to save it. Click on File and download your document as a PDF or directly copy it into Gmail's Compose window. If you're using a different email platform, exporting as HTML may be beneficial. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a professional email template in Google Docs. Follow these steps and you'll have a visually appealing